Welcome back to Auto Legends. Today, we're diving into one of the most luxurious motorhomes ever built, the Scania XL Motorhome Truck. Designed to combine rugged performance with unmatched luxury, this motorhome is a dream for travelers who crave both adventure and comfort on the road. The Scania XL Motorhome starts with a heavy-duty Scania truck chassis, renowned for its durability and power. Powered by a high-performance engine, it delivers an impressive driving experience, whether you're cruising on highways or tackling challenging terrains. Its advanced suspension system ensures a smooth ride, making long journeys comfortable and stress-free. The exterior design is as bold as it is functional. Its sleek lines and aerodynamic profile are paired with high-quality materials that withstand harsh weather conditions. The oversized cabin extends into a spacious living area, offering ample room for luxury features. Its robust build also includes state-of-the-art LED lighting, built-in solar panels, and external storage compartments for all your gear. Step inside, and you're greeted by an interior that feels more like a luxury apartment than a motorhome. The living area is beautifully designed, with premium materials, modern furniture, and meticulous attention to detail. There's a fully equipped kitchen featuring top-of-the-line appliances, including a refrigerator, microwave, and induction stove. The dining space is cozy yet functional, perfect for enjoying meals with a panoramic view through large, tinted windows. The motorhome includes a lavish bedroom area with a queen-sized bed, plenty of storage, and ambient lighting that creates a relaxing atmosphere. The bathroom is equally impressive, boasting a full-size shower, elegant fixtures, and high-end finishes that rival those of a luxury hotel. For entertainment, the Scania XL comes equipped with an integrated sound system, multiple flat-screen TVs, and high-speed internet connectivity to keep you connected no matter where you go. But the luxury doesn't stop there. The motorhome also features smart home technology, allowing you to control lighting, climate, and security systems with the touch of a button or through your smartphone. The vehicle's advanced driver assistance systems ensure maximum safety, with features like lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and a 360-degree camera for enhanced visibility. The Scania XL Motorhome Truck is perfect for those who want to explore the world without sacrificing comfort. Whether you're traveling across continents or escaping into the wilderness, this motorhome provides a level of convenience and luxury that's hard to beat. Its blend of rugged performance and sophisticated design makes it a standout choice in the world of motorhomes. That's all for today's feature on this incredible Scania XL Motorhome Truck. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Auto Legends. Thanks for watching.